Today, we're installing in a mid-roof Ford Transit, model number 96312-3-01, with screen windows. Installation is similar for all steel bulkheads. Before installing WeatherGuard products on specific vehicles, read all warnings and instructions in the product installation manual provided. First, assemble the door pocket by installing it on the center panel. Using the designated hardware, connect the door pocket. The pocket can be mounted to either the cargo side or the cockpit of the center panel. Next, attach the driver's side panel to the center panel. Loosely tighten the bolt that holds the panels together. You will tighten them down once the bulkhead is installed in the van. If installing a swing door conversion kit, 96901-3-01, continue viewing. If not, skip to step 4 in the bulkhead installation. Attach the hinge to the driver's side panel, ensuring the direction of the swing is correct. Then secure the hinge to the center door panel. Then, assemble the door handle and pass the locking handle with washer through the opening in the center panel. Attach the cam paddle by sliding into the square shaft on the other side of the center panel. Ensure proper alignment of the handle to the cam and tighten. Then attach the second handle using the set screw. Finally, cut weather stripping into 3 3-inch sections and affix to channel at top, bottom, and above door latch. Next, attach the passenger side panel to the center panel. Again, only loosely tighten the bolt that holds the panels together. Next, you will attach the header panel to the bulkhead. Same as the panels, do not fully tighten fasteners at this time. Move the bulkhead into place in the van. Using a center punch or marker, mark all hole locations around the bulkhead. Don't forget to mark the floor holes. Move bulkhead out of the way. We recommend to use the blind fasteners provided in the hardware kit to mount the bulkhead. Before drilling any holes, check under your van that the hole locations are clear from any critical components, such as fuel line, fuel tank, and wiring areas. To install a blind fastener, start by drilling a pilot hole with an 1/8-inch drill bit. Then re-drill the hole with a 3/8-inch drill bit. Assemble the blind fastener and install tools on a 9/16 wrench. Insert the blind fastener in the hole just drilled. Ensure the blind fastener is fully seated. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, drive the black oxide bolt until the blind fastener is fully seated. Make sure the blind fastener and install tool did not turn during installation. Drive the black oxide bolt in the opposite direction to remove the install tools. The blind fastener should now be secured in the van. Repeat these steps on all marked holes. If your van has a flooring mat or plywood installed on the top of the van floor, use a 1-inch hole saw to cut the material away around where the floor was marked in the previous step before installing the blind fasteners. Do not cut through the van's flooring with the hole saw. Next, reposition the bulkhead in place, using the bolts provided mounting the bulkhead to the van. Finally, check all fasteners and tighten them. This includes any fasteners that were loosely assembled during the panel assembly. If mounting shelf units next to the bulkhead in a Ram ProMaster, the foam block on the driver's side will need to be trimmed flush to the bulkhead. Discard the trimmed section. With your fully installed bulkhead in place, experience maximum protection from shifting cargo, built with durability to last.